Welcome back to Brain Hacks, the ultimate source of inspiration and empowerment for unleashing your full potential. Today, we delve into the remarkable habits of successful individuals, guiding you towards a path of achievement and greatness. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Together, we will ignite the fire of success within you. Prepare to be inspired as we unveil the 10 extraordinary habits and secrets of successful people. These habits have been the cornerstone of their remarkable achievements, and now they can be yours too. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's dive in. Number 1, relentless goal setting. Successful individuals understand the power of a clear vision and purpose. They set audacious goals that fuel their passion and propel them forward. By defining your goals and breaking them down into actionable steps, you create a roadmap towards your dreams. With each goal you set, you infuse your life with meaning and direction, giving you a sense of purpose and a target to aim for. By aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals, you create a powerful synergy that propels you forward with unwavering determination. Remember, goals without a plan are merely wishes. Embrace the power of intentional goal setting to turn your dreams into tangible realities. Number 2, continuous learning. Lifelong learning is a key driver of success. Successful individuals prioritize personal growth and embrace new knowledge and skills. By nurturing a growth mindset, you open doors to limitless possibilities and become a perpetual student of life. Through continuous learning, you expand your horizons, deepen your expertise, and remain adaptable in an ever-evolving world. Successful individuals understand that knowledge is not limited to formal education, but is acquired through curiosity, exploration, and a hunger for improvement. Remember, every day is an opportunity to learn something new and expand your intellectual and personal horizons. Embrace the joy of lifelong learning and let it propel you towards greatness. Number 3, discipline and consistency. Success is not achieved through sporadic bursts of effort, but through consistent discipline. By developing daily routines and sticking to them, you cultivate the discipline necessary to make progress even when motivation wanes. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant accomplishments. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements. It is the unwavering commitment to showing up, putting in the work, and staying the course. Successful individuals understand that discipline is not always easy, but it is the cornerstone of lasting success. It is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when it's not convenient or comfortable. Embrace the power of disciplined action, knowing that each small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch your dreams unfold. Number 4, effective time management. Time is a precious resource, and successful individuals understand the value of managing it effectively. They prioritize tasks, minimize distractions, and create time blocks for focused work. By mastering time management, you gain control over your schedule, making every moment count towards your goals. Time is the great equalizer, and successful individuals treat it as their most valuable asset. They make conscious choices about how they spend their time, ensuring that it aligns with their priorities. By setting clear boundaries, eliminating time-wasting activities, and embracing the power of focus, you optimize your productivity and unlock your true potential. Remember, time management is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Embrace the art of effective time management and reclaim your time for the pursuits that truly matter. Number 5, embracing failure as a teacher. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. Successful individuals embrace failure, extract valuable lessons, and use them as catalysts for growth. By reframing failure as an opportunity to learn and improve, you become resilient and unstoppable on your journey to success. Failure is not a reflection of your worth, but a necessary part of the learning process. It provides invaluable feedback that guides you towards better strategies and approaches. Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. Number 6, the power of positive thinking. Successful individuals recognize the immense power of their thoughts. They cultivate a positive mindset and maintain an optimistic outlook, even in the face of challenges. By shifting your thoughts and focusing on the positive, you attract abundance and create a fertile ground for success. Positive thinking is not about ignoring reality, but about choosing to see challenges as opportunities and setbacks as temporary roadblocks. By cultivating a positive mindset, you build resilience, enhance problem-solving abilities, and create an empowering belief system that fuels your motivation. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Embrace the power of positive thinking and watch as your mindset transforms your journey to success. Number 7, effective communication and networking. Successful individuals understand the importance of effective communication and building strong relationships. They master the art of active listening, articulate their ideas with clarity, and nurture a network of supportive connections. By developing excellent communication skills, you amplify your influence and open doors to new opportunities. Effective communication is a superpower that allows you to convey your ideas with impact, understand others deeply, and foster meaningful connections. By listening attentively, asking insightful questions, and empathizing with others, you build rapport and create a network of allies who support and inspire your growth. Remember, effective communication is the key to unlocking doors. Number 8, embracing adaptability and flexibility. In a rapidly changing world, successful individuals embrace adaptability. They remain agile and open-minded, ready to adjust their strategies and seize new opportunities. By embracing change, you stay ahead of the curve and position yourself for success in any circumstance. The ability to adapt is not a sign of weakness, but a hallmark of strength. It allows you to navigate uncertainty, overcome obstacles, and thrive in the face of challenges. Remember, change is inevitable. Embrace it, welcome it, and let it become a catalyst for your growth and success. Number 9, self-care and well-being. Success is not solely measured by external achievements, but by holistic well-being. Successful individuals prioritize self-care, nurturing their physical, mental, and emotional health. By taking care of yourself, you maintain the energy and resilience needed to pursue your dreams with vitality and passion. Self-care is not selfish. It is a necessary investment in your overall well-being. It includes practices that replenish your energy, reduce stress, and enhance your overall quality of life. By honoring your physical health, nurturing your mental and emotional well-being, and creating space for rest and rejuvenation, you build a strong. Remember, you are the vehicle for your dreams. Prioritize self-care and well-being to ensure you have the strength and vitality to manifest your ambitions and thrive in all areas of your life. Number 10, the power of resilience. Successful individuals understand the importance of resilience in the face of adversity. They bounce back from setbacks, learn from challenges, and keep moving forward. By developing resilience, you become unstoppable in the pursuit of your goals. Resilience is the key that unlocks your inner strength and perseverance. It allows you to rise above obstacles, embrace discomfort, and keep pushing forward, even in the face of setbacks. Successful individuals see failures and obstacles as opportunities for growth, allowing them to adapt, learn, and come back stronger than ever. Develop your resilience muscle and watch how it propels you towards extraordinary achievements. As we conclude this enlightening exploration of the 10 habits of successful individuals, I encourage you to reflect on how you can incorporate these habits into your own life. Which habit resonates with you the most? Remember, success is not a destination but a journey, and it starts with the daily habits we cultivate. Thank you for joining us today on Brain Hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our future episodes. Until next time, keep hacking your brain, embracing these powerful habits, and achieving the success you deserve.